Hey, everybody, Don here, the German 3D print nerd. Well, I did get a package. Was that Friday or Saturday? And that was from Marorubot, if I pronounced that correctly. And they sent me this is a new print bed, glass plate. Oh, and I must say, it's really an interesting plate. All packed in a really hard styrofoam. Did not get any damage whatsoever. And it looks like this. Yeah, you can even see the color correctly. So a blue-green, like a turquoise color. Yeah. Then on Saturday, I wanted to test it out. This has the size 325 by 325, so that's perfect for the Wanhao D9. Yeah, the right size. Now, what is? Well, the Don's going to have to think about getting a BL Touch. I don't know. Wanhao's offering me for $118 US the MK2 upgrade kit for the Wanhao D9. But I sent them an email, told them, hey, I don't want the complete upgrade kit. I don't need the glass bed. I do not need the Z support structure. I've printed high objects, and I do not need the Z support structure on that one. That thing is stable enough as it is. The only thing I need is the BL Touch, and that, yeah, you need a different circuit board too. And that's what will be supplied with the upgrade, because the new Wanhao D9 Mark II, okay, the MK2 as they call it, it has a different circuit board. As you can see here, focus, yeah, as you can see here, there is a socket missing. There's supposed to be a socket. Well, there's supposed to be two sockets here. One is the normal sensor and the other one is the BL Touch. And, oh, by the way, this so-called splitter board that you see in my hand right now, well, last year when I got the Wanhao D9, it had the original splitter board on it, and then there was a report that there was some problems with the splitter board. And everybody that has the D9, all you have to do is to send them an email and let them know, yeah, and they send you this new splitter board. Yeah, well, this new splitter board is in my hand right now, and the old splitter board is back on it because this splitter board has a problem. Now, all of a sudden, my part cooling fan wasn't working anymore. And after posting in the Facebook group that problem, first thing that come up is check the splitter board. Okay, thank God I still had the old one, so I changed out the old. Well, first thing I did is I put the fan, the part cooling fan, on the nozzle cooling, heated up the nozzle a little bit so that the fan started, and see there, the fan was working. Okay, the fan was not defect. So I changed out the board, and see there, the part cooling fan is working again. And I sent them an email. Now, and then they come with this bull, telling me, yeah, $118 for an upgrade kit, which I'm not interested in. And I sent an email back telling them I'm not interested in spending so much money, which I do not have. All I want is that splitter board and the BL Touch for it. Well, I'm still waiting for an answer from them. But yeah, Marorubot sent me this plate to test out on my Wanhao D9. I wrote to them, told them I'd like to test that out to see how good it is, and if I can get good prints coming off of it, especially with PET G, because PET G and that magnetic bed that I have on it right now, that's not working good at all. And said, yeah, no problem, we'll be more than happy to send you one. This is not really a paid review, so to say. I mean, they did send this without any charge to me. And I'll put a link down in the description for the web page. You can go and check that out, see. But yeah, anyway, before I can do a correct review for this plate, I'm going to have to wait until I get a BL Touch and that correct splitter board so that I can connect the BL Touch to it. But yeah, anyway, another thing that I was doing, you know, last year, beginning of this year, I did this project, that Elder Lighthouse, and I was thinking about making some kind of a system in here where you have a little switch, you know, well, then putting LEDs in here and everything. Well, I was talking to a good friend that has a shop a couple of houses away from me, and he does all kinds of stuff with woodworking, and he gave me one of these, and you turn it a little bit, you got three LED lights, and all I have to do, let me see if I can hold it right, just put that in there, and then as you can see, yeah, it is noticeable. Yeah, you got some light. You got a little bit of light here, but there's also some light coming out of the windows and a light up here on top. When it's darker, it's noticeable. And this little thing here only cost about €2. So I thought, well, I'll try that out to see how that's going to work out. It'd be a lot cheaper than what I was thinking about doing anyway. And yeah, I was doing some more painting on the Battlestar Galactica TOS model. That thing already has 1.5, almost 2 cans of primer paint on it, and there's still a couple of places that I'm going to have to touch up a little bit before I put the true color on it. That's something that I'll be working on in the next couple of weeks too. Also with my Stargate Citizen, the Hornet, it's got its primer paint on it. My airbrush pump is working, I think. I have to try that out now. I got the adapter that I needed to connect the regulator to it finally, so that I can try out my airbrush. And maybe you might notice that the video quality is a little bit better. That's all because I got an eBay last month for No, this month, yeah. Just arrived about a week ago. Yeah, that was this month. This is the Logitech B 910 camera that I'm using right now for the video recording. And it seems to me that the video quality is a little bit better. And if that's the case, then I'll use my old 525 that I have. I'll use that as secondary camera. But I have to figure out and see if that's going to work without any problems with OBS. I know there's other guys out there, they have the C920, a couple of them, and they're working fine with OBS, but I'm not sure. I tried it out one time, connecting both of the cameras per USB to my PC, and then I started OBS, but for some reason OBS did recognize the 525, but it did not want to recognize the 910. So I'm going to have to figure that out. Or if anybody has an idea what I have to do in OBS to get both of those cameras up and running at the same time, put a comment down in the description. That would be nice. But anyway, till then, everybody, y'all take care, and I'll be trying to get out more information, put out some more videos about some of the stuff that I'm doing. And if everything goes good, maybe this coming Saturday I'll try to do a live stream, but I can't make any promise. But until then, take care, everybody. Until the next time. Bye.